A concerning wave of rabies cases has emerged in Nassau County, with health officials gravely worrying about the implications of this trend. Just recently, another raccoon was reported to be rabid, contributing to a total of 23 rabies cases documented so far this year, 22 of which involve raccoons and one involving a cat, according to Alyssa Zorabian, a spokesperson for the local health department. This alarming situation has compelled Nassau County officials to label rabies an imminent public health threat. Residents are being urged to take precautions for their pets and to maintain a safe distance from wild animals. Interestingly, prior to this surge in reported cases, Nassau County had not recorded any instances of rabies since last summer, and before then, the region had been rabies-free since 2016. Comparatively, Suffolk County has encountered 9 raccoons testing positive for rabies this year, with 8 cases in Amityville and 1 in Deer Park, marking the first detection of rabies in raccoons in Suffolk since 2009. The uptick in rabies cases is believed to be influenced by various factors, including a suspension of New York City's rabies vaccination baiting program last year, which was unfortunately halted due to budgetary constraints. This program had been in place since 2014, utilizing oral vaccine baits flavored to attract raccoons. To counter this rising concern, Suffolk County health officials recently conducted a baiting initiative across several areas, Babylon, Huntington, Smithtown, and Islip, aiming to create a buffer of vaccinated raccoons to curb the spread of rabies further east, following observations of rabid raccoons in western Suffolk and Nassau County. In a similar effort, Nassau County executed its own baiting operations last September and April. In response to this alarming increase in rabies cases, both counties are organizing free rabies vaccination clinics for residents. Nassau County, in collaboration with the town of Oyster Bay, will provide free vaccinations for dogs, cats, and ferrets this Saturday from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the Town of Oyster Bay Animal Shelter, located at 150 Miller Place in Syosset. Additionally, another clinic is slated to take place this fall, as mentioned by Zorabian. On September 20th, Suffolk County's Department of Health Services, in partnership with the Suffolk County SPCA, will also hold a free vaccination clinic for pets from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. at the William J. Lindsay Complex, 725 Veterans Memorial Highway, Hauppauge. Dr. Irina Gelman, the Nassau Health Commissioner, highlighted the importance of keeping pets' rabies vaccinations up to date, stating in a news release, "Ensuring your pet's rabies vaccination is current helps protect your family and community, and it prevents the need for your pet to face strict quarantine if exposed to an animal that is known to carry and transmit the virus." This vaccination not only safeguards pets, but also serves as a preventive measure to block rabies transmission between wildlife and humans, as underscored by the Suffolk Health Department. State law mandates that all dogs, cats, and domesticated ferrets receive rabies vaccinations. Health authorities recommend that pets younger than 4 months get their first 2 shots, given 1 year apart, with booster doses needed every 3 years thereafter. For public safety during clinics, dogs should be leashed and cats and ferrets must be transported in enclosed carriers. Rabies is a lethal viral infection that spreads from infected mammals to humans. Without appropriate treatment, the disease can be fatal. Initial symptoms may include irritability, headaches, fevers, and in some cases, itching at the infection site. If left untreated, it can escalate into paralysis, throat muscle spasms, convulsions, delirium, and ultimately death, according to Suffolk health officials. Both the Nassau and Suffolk health departments are advising anyone bitten or scratched by a wild animal to seek immediate medical attention and to report the incident promptly. For Nassau County, residents should call 516-227-9663, while those in Suffolk County can reach out at 631-854-0333.